Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for July 2012. Virgos, we start the month with Mars that is going to be transiting your second house. That is a house of your earned income and your shared resources. You have had Saturn now in this particular house for the last year and a half to close to about 2 years. And Saturn, while being there in your second house, could have taught you a lot of lessons regarding not just shared resources, but also the way and the means that you earn your money, and also if you have been trying to supplement your income. You may also become very ambitious at this point of time. There could be a lot of plans regarding an expansion or how it is that you further your career. A lot of you could also be thinking of not just changing your job, but maybe moving to an entirely different new stream of work. There seems to be a lot of desire to learn about new cultures, new languages, new places, and a lot of you would be wanting to move physically to another place, and this could also mean moving your countries. And for some, I would say it's a very good thing for you, because Virgos beyond a point, you get so used to operating in a particular space, and there's a comfort factor, and you know what's going to be happening tomorrow, and the day after, and so on and so forth. But with Mars coming and activating this area of your life, there is going to be an increased desire to move physically, along with just mentally taking flights or fancy of wanting to travel or wanting to learn more. Also, Saturn, before it leaves any house, leaves a little gift for them, and that is a gift of self-worth, of self-appreciations, and a lot of self-confidence. A lot of you who have been in fact, most of the signs in different houses, that is, of course, have been under the Saturn scrutiny, so to speak. Most of the signs, in fact, have been under the Saturn scrutiny, and under different houses, of course. And with you, especially being there in the second house, it could mean that a lot of you would be coming to terms with how really things, financially things are, how it is that the joint resources are, what are your limitations, where it is that you can stretch, and where it is that you can increase. With Saturn exiting, you will also be thinking about your own security, your overall security, and what is it that makes you feel secure. Is it a relationship with the closest partner? It is your workplace. What is it that makes you feel really secure? And these are the questions that a lot of you Virgos, you will be asking yourself. It is also a great time to be open to ideas, especially where others are concerned, wherein others are trying to not just offer you a solution, but there seems to be some amount of a discussion that seems to be taking place among this has more to do with family members, not really friends, I would say, but it could also be friends whom you consider as family, and you don't seem to be really acceptable or open to the ideas or suggestions that they seem to be making. The universe is cautioning you to stay flexible, Virgos. It may not be the best of the options as to what is it that fits your picture, but it is definitely worth thinking about. A lot of you also for the last year and a half, 2 years, have been at that frustrated about being dependent upon others for your self-worth, for any form of a validation, and this especially has to do with your relationships. I think there is some amount of a being resigned or just being fed up with constantly trying to prove yourself in a relationship, constantly trying to make the person understand as to what is it, or what is this space that you're operating from. And with Mars coming now, you are not that it is not you're not going to care, but there seems to be a sense of knowing that you can weather quite a bit, and uh, I think that is also a lovely gift that Saturn is giving you. Along with the confidence it has given you, it has just given you this tremendous sense of self belief that you will be able to manage going forward, no matter what it is that the universe hands it out to you. Mid month, we have a Mercury retrograde, and around this time, as normally a Mercury retrograde indicates, there could be a slowdown of communication and some amount of a glitch in a travel program if it is there. Mercury retrograde does not indicate that you don't do any work at all. So, if there have been older projects which get renewed now, or older conversations which may have got stalled and get picked up at this point of time, it's a good idea to go ahead and to um, sign those contracts and those deals. However, do be a little careful if you are getting into a completely new deal. If you are signing absolutely new papers under a Mercury retrograde, it just indicates that you may not be having the complete details. So ensure that you have all the facts, you have all the details with you, and ensure that you understand the clauses and you have crossed all the T's and dotted all the I's. There could also be some amount if you have been trying to move some amount of if you've been trying to move houses, or if you're trying to maintain a car or a particular vehicle, or even if you're going to be purchasing a vehicle this month especially, try and be careful that it's a best deal, or try and wait out till about end of the month. It normally happens again during a retrograde. You may just come to know after the retrograde there's a better deal going on somewhere. And as far as travel is concerned, ensure that if you're moving house, or if you're just shifting offices, maybe that the entire thing is you have all the paperwork. This can also be a time for a heightened self-awareness, Virgos. It could be that a lot of you are realizing a lot of aspects of yourself that you were not aware about earlier. It's a good time to be reconnecting and deepening your ties with your closest friends, and also to be nurturing yourself. It's a good time to be taking care of yourself, Virgo. The tarot message for you this month, Virgos, is patience. The universe is asking you to be more patient, and Virgos, who best in the sign knows better than to be patient than a Virgo. It's not just a wise thing to be doing at this time, but the universe is cautioning you to stay away from doing things unexpectedly, taking unexpected decisions, sudden decisions. Try to stay calm, try not to be explosive or reactive in situations. The worst is almost over, and it just gets better from here, and you have to trust the universe with this, Virgos. So overall, a great month, Virgos. Some amount of a hard work for you, but then most of you, it is nothing new for you. Hard work comes very naturally to you. So have a great month. I'll see you again in August, and thank you so much for watching.